Hi guys! So today I'm doing makeup, yay! I haven't done makeup in quite some time, maybe like a week and a half or so, like on here. So today I'm gonna do a look for Valentine, my favorite time of the year. I love Valentine and I love Halloween. So I'm super excited because it's Valentine. I just love Valentine. I know a lot of people don't like Valentine, but I do. I do, and that's important. Okay guys, so if you guys want to watch what I come up with, then please, stay tuned. Stay tuned. Okay guys, so let's get this started. I already put my primer on. What the heck primer did I put on? I put the Becca primer. Also, I'm going to put my Milani Milk, guys. I love this so much. Yes, I do have a discount code. Yes, I do get paid for this. But you guys know I like their products so much. I've liked their products for like 2 years since I started. I actually emailed them 2 years ago when I first started, and I never got the products. And then this year they sent me like a whole little kit, and I cried. And then after that, you know, of course I posted it. Then they sent me this one for free. And did they send me something else? No, this was the only one that they sent me. This is actually my favorite one, and this color is called Opulences. I'll put it right here. I think I'm pronouncing it correctly, guys, but just because sometimes my accent is the worst. It's weird because I never knew I had an accent until I started saying lip gloss, and my friend was like, what are you talking about? I was like, what do you mean? She was like, what the hell are you saying lip gloss? I was like, lip gloss, girl. She was like, it's a lip gloss. Alright guys, so I'm gonna try to do my eyebrows online. I know I'm far away. I gotta put my camera a little closer from now on. I just sometimes feel like the camera's like in my face. This is gonna be a long video, guys. Oh my god, guys, my back has been hurting so much because I'm a dumbass at the gym. I didn't warm up. I have a tendency of just going into the gym and not warming up. I don't know what the hell is wrong with me. I've been going to the gym forever. And no, Cynthia didn't want to warm up that day. Needless to say, I am in so much pain, and I just, I'm so mad at myself. I'm not sure which one I'm going to use. I have the new Urban Decay. I think it's a little too heavy for underneath my eyes, so what I'll do, I'll put this one to carve out my eyebrows, and this one underneath my eyes because I like this one for underneath my eyes because it's not heavy at all. At least I don't think it is, but it's so good. I drag it all the way in and drag it out. Don't worry about all that mess. You're gonna get messy before it looks pretty. Yeah, that's why I like to do foundation last. Well, not last, but foundation once I'm done with my eyes. Yeah, that makes sense. Not last. Oh my god, that looks so nice. Okay, I'm gonna use this brown one right here. And I just ate apple, so it looks like I'm eating or finish eating. You're not seeing things. I'm using the Morphe M507, my favorite brush, Morphe Call Me. Alright, so stay in the crease and drag it out. Crease and drag it out. You guys probably have a better crease than me because mine just moves whenever I'm doing windshield wiper. Alright guys, I'm just blending in the two colors together so it's not too much of a harsh line right there. I'm going to go into this black right here. I'm going to keep this black in the outer corner of the eye and brush it out. Okay, so I'm going to use the Stila glitters. You guys know this does not work for me, but I know it works for a ton of you guys. So I'm just basically putting it on just for the look. If I was gonna do this look for like dinner or something, I may not put the Stila on just because it always goes all over. I will put just my regular NYX glitter and I'll put glitter glue, but for your sake, because I know a lot of people have Stila and love Stila, I love Stila too. These just didn't work for me. I'm just going to use them for now. And I'm just gonna put the glitter in the middle, and I don't want to be perfect. But there's no Valentine's without not wearing glitter. Come on, you gotta wear glitter. Okay guys, so I'm gonna use the Anastasia Trust Issues for my wing. I don't want black wing liner today. Let's see how this comes out. Okay guys, so I'm going to move on to my foundation. I'm going to use my Milani. I haven't used it in quite some time, and it is full coverage, and I really like the way it makes my face look. So I also like the Maybelline, but I've been using the Maybelline a lot, so just kind of switch it up a bit. Yeah, let's see if number 2 and number 3 is my color. I have no idea, I don't remember, because I have 4, 9, I think 9 is for the summertime, I think. I don't remember, so. I'm going to mix the two. One is too dark, one is too light. I'm debating between the Fenty contour stick and my Wet n Wild. I always use the Wet n Wild. I'm going to try to use the Fenty again because at first I liked it, then I didn't. I don't know why, you know, I changed my mind back and forth. I'm just going to try it again and see if I like it again. Alright, so I'm just going to put some setting translucent powder on my face. I've had this brush forever. I don't know. Oh, it is Kiko. I love it. I love that it has a short little handle and I can kind of like grab it like this. Oh my god, it's like one of my favorite brushes to put my setting powder on. If I'm not going to bake, you know what I mean? I'm going to go to my Heidi D palette and I'm going to use her contour powder here because it is a dupe for the Hoola. Exactly the same dupe. So yeah, I'm just going to use it. I can't talk. And you guys, I've never really talked about the bronzer that I have that is like my go-to. I really love it. It's by the company Note. They sent it to me quite some time ago and it's like my go-to whenever I want to put bronzer on. So yeah, I really like it and it's huge, just to bronze up a little bit of this white face of mine. Alright guys, so moving on, I'm going to use the first color that I used in the palette was this one, but I'm gonna just skip and not use that one because that one has a little bit of like a metallic look, so I don't want that in my bottom of my eye. So I'm gonna go straight to the second one that I used and I'm gonna put it underneath my waterline. Okay, so now I'm going to just move on to the brown and I'm not going to put black underneath. I don't want it to be that dark underneath. And I'm just kind of blending those two colors in. I'm just going to set my face real quick, guys. Okay, I haven't found any liner that I like as much as I like my Maybelline. Ooh. So that's why I'm wearing my Maybelline. Really like this. I wonder Maybelline has like other colors because it really works for me. Okay guys, so I'm going to go neutral for my lips and I'm going to use the color 755 Nude Thrill by, I think this is Maybelline. Yes, Maybelline. I only use this once and I really like the color. It's really pale, but since my eyes are really bold, I think the pale will look nice. Sorry. This color is Naked Liner by MAC. Alright guys, so I'm going to highlight my face with Milani 03 Strobe Light for my highlight today. And I'm using this little brush, Murphy E40. So cute, isn't it? It's like a little fan. I think that's the cutest thing. Alrighty guys, so this is it for my video. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, please thumbs it up, please comment, and please do not forget to subscribe. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys again within 2 to 3 days. 2 to 3 days. 2 to 3 days.